Why have they photoshopped me so much? इतना smoothen out कौन करता है? Unrealistic beauty standards set from school itself. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back. So today I have my box filled with childhood school memories. I was just cleaning out my closet and I found this whole box and I was like, what? I still have these? I have my like very old report cards and photos and so many other embarrassing things. So let's open it together. While it's actually open, we just have to look into it. Starting with my oldest report card, I was in LKG B. B was my section and my roll number was 11. I was in Sakshi Shishu Kendra. I was a Shishu, I was a child. And let's just open it. Grades are pretty good. A, B, I have C in dictation, okay. D in class performance. But yeah, overall it's fine. In my first quarter, it's written I need improvement. Of course, I'm a kid. I just got into the school. Obviously, I'm gonna need improvement. मुझे सब कुछ थोड़ी ना आया है पैदा होते ही. Guys, hats off to my mom. उन्होंने मेरी सारी report cards like from LKG to 12th standard. She has saved everything. I was like ये नहीं होगा and I just randomly found it and I literally hugged her. I was like thank you so much because these are so precious memories and it's always good to look back at them. Oh ये बहुत मस्त है. So this is a report card from a national level science talent search examination in 9th standard and first is mathematics and usme I have answered nothing right because all of the questions are unattempted. मैंने एक भी question attempt नहीं किया. I was so scared of maths, मैं रो देती थी बस. And as you guessed right, I scored 31 out of 100. Obviously, I failed this test. I mean, मैंने कुछ attempt ही नहीं किया हुआ इसमें. Why did I even take this? Okay guys, so after Sakshi Shishu Kendra, I got into MSV, which is Manendra Shakti Vidyalaya, and it's not like ki this school was very far away from my initial school. There were 3 buildings on the same ground and people just keep shifting according to their class. So initially like in LKG, UKG, I was in Sakshi Shishu Kendra and then up until primary, I got into MSV, Manendra Shakti Vidyalaya, and this is the report card from my second section and second class and the section is still same B, second B and my roll number was 2. Can you imagine जिनका initially roll number आता है, कोई भी class test होता है या कुछ भी exam होता है, you can't even cheat because you're just sitting right in front of the teacher. Why this happened with me? Also इसका result you can see in the report card as well. I did not score good. Actually I did. I scored 511 out of 750. It's good. And teacher has written work is satisfactory. Dude, what do you want from me? I'm in just second grade. इतना अच्छा तो मुझे तो अभी भी अच्छा लग रहा है. Good job, Sonia. You did very well. And after primary school, I got shifted into TPS Tyagi Public School in my 6th class. And look at my identity card. I cannot even see myself. Where is the good lighting? और ये इतना पुराना है बेचारा, ये पीला पड़ चुका है. Oh my god, so many good memories. It was such a big change happening in my life. Like जो भी मेरे प्राइमरी स्कूल से लेकर UKG, LKG वाले जो फ्रेंड्स थे, we all used to study together and when we all shifted into 6th, so many of my friends changed their schools and I was shifted in the same, like the next building. There were different people, different students and वो मेरी शक्ल पे दिख रहा है. How anxious I was, how scared I was. Oh my god, what happened to you, Sonia? बाल ही उड़े हुए. See, मैं कहती हूँ ना, I was born creative. I stood second position in Diya decorating competition in my second class. See, when that teacher wrote that her work is satisfactory, I was getting second position in Diya making competition. Mic drop. Instead of getting good marks in school, I have so many these kind of certificates. I don't even remember कि मैं second आई हूँ, third आई हूँ, क्या आई हूँ. I don't even remember that I achieved something in that class. I don't know where's that memory. I again got third in Diya decorating competition in 3rd class as well, and in English writing competition also I was third. Okay, मेरी report card बहुत दूर चली गई. Can you guys imagine, like there's this diya making competition or rakhi making competition in school next day, and uske ek din pehle our moms are like going crazy because she wants to give her child the best of the best item, like gota patti and chote chote sequins. Like it was crazy, and I think because of that I was able to, you know, get this. Thanks mom, it's all because of you I'm doing this right now as well. गाइस मुझे सिर्फ जिमिंग का शौक नहीं है, मैं बचपन से स्पोर्ट्स में भी बहुत अच्छी थी. लाइक मैंने 5th क्लास में खो खो खेलना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. किसी को पता भी नहीं होगा यार खो खो क्या होता है. बट एनी वे आई गॉट फर्स्ट. इट वॉज अ टीम वर्क बट वी वर फर्स्ट इन दैट मैच, एंड उसके बाद से मैंने खो खो कभी नहीं खेला. यूजली वॉट हैपन्स इन लाइफ इज यू नीड दैट किक, एंड आई गॉट दिस एंड देन आई जस्ट लिफ्ट इट. I don't know what was wrong with me as a child. मुझे इसे continue रखना चाहिए था. I don't know what kind of decisions I have made in my entire life. Why, Sonia? Why? तो सोनिया ऐसे ही ब्लॉगर नहीं बनी है, उसमें स्कूल का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. सो देयर यूज्ड टू बी एनुअल फोटोशूट्स विद द होल क्लास. लुक एट द ह्यूज पिक्चर दे गेव अस. ओह माय गॉड, इट इज़ सो बिग, इट्स नॉट इवन फिटिंग एनीवेयर, बट आई एम ग्लैड बिकॉज इट लिटरली हैज़ पिक्चर ऑफ एवरी क्लासमेट ऑफ माइन फ्रॉम 9th grade, एंड वहाँ जाके मेरा सेक्शन चेंज हो गया. इट्स 9th A. फाइनली एलीट. स्कूल में ऐसा होता था. We used to have this one in a year whole classroom photo shoot जिसमें all the teachers who used to teach us in that particular class will sit in the front row, and उसके बाद girls, and then छोटी height वाले boys, and then taller boys, and I don't know why nobody is interested in this photo shoot. Look at this girl, उसका मुंह नीचे है, किसी ने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. एंड देयर दिस अनदर गर्ल, वो कहीं और टीचर के सिर पे देख रही है, एंड टीचर कहीं और देख रही है. व्हाई? एंड फोटोग्राफर एक्चुअली क्लिक दिस वन. आई मीन दे क्लिक मेनी ऑप्शंस, बट व्हाई डिड दे फाइनलाइज दिस वन? इसमें किसी का भी कहीं पे भी ध्यान नहीं है. ऑल्सो दैट्स मी. छोटा सा पफ, ponytail. Also, can you see Bhavna side में? Oh my god, we are best friends since 7th grade. Oh my god, so many memories. I also have 2 of my school photographs. This one was clicked जब मैं स्कूल में एडमिशन लेने जा रही थी, and this was like this dress was my birthday gift. My nanny gifted it to me. And then this one is, मैंने इसके पीछे सब लिखा हुआ है. Oh my god, this one is from 2nd B, roll number 2, MSV, date of birth 22nd December 1996, and name Sonia Garg. Oh my god, look at me. Why? क्या हुआ था? हमारे बाल वैसे थोड़े ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर लग रहे हैं. How cute! सो गाइज ड्यूरिंग 11th स्टैंडर्ड और 12th स्टैंडर्ड हम सारे फ्रेंड्स ना मेट्रो के पास जाके खड़े हो जाते थे, एंड हम बस हैंग आउट करते थे, वहाँ पे चिल करते थे, घर ही नहीं जाते थे. पता नहीं क्या ही प्रॉब्लम थी हमारे साथ, कितने अजीब बच्चे थे. एंड देन वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, लाइक फ्रॉम माई क्लास ओनली, ही केम. लाइक वी वर फ्रेंड्स, लाइक ओके वी नो ईच अदर बट नॉट लाइक फ्रेंड्स, लाइक ओके वी नो ईच अदर सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. एंड देन ही जस्ट केम एंड ही हैंडेड मी दिस, एंड उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है हैप्पी बर्थडे टू सोनिया. मतलब मेरा बर्थडे आई गेस चला गया था वीकेंड में, या फिर आने वाला था, क्योंकि मेरे वीकेंड के पास ना हॉलीडे स्टार्ट हो जाती है ड्यूरिंग क्रिसमस टाइम. सो आई गेस उसने मुझे ये पहले दिया था, एंड वी ऑल वर शॉक्ड. लाइक इट वॉज एक्चुअली सरप्राइजिंग एंड शॉकिंग बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत की है यार उसने, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करी है. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस होल photo file maybe is that I am not in it, but it's not funny, it's actually very good because usually whenever we're thinking about gifting something to someone we always think कि हमारी साथ में memories क्या है, but this guy thought about my memory with the whole classroom, and इसमें मेरे सारे classmates की बहुत ही candid moments वाली photos है which I love the most. like इसमें बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, like how we used to go in the picnic, and अगर teacher नहीं होती थी तो class में कैसे you know hustle bustle is happening, and recess time पे कैसे हम दूसरे क्लास में से बच्चों को बुला के उन पे कोट रख के उन्हें मारते थे. बहुत सारी चीज़ें. गाइज डोंट गेट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम मी, इट जस्ट साउंड्स लाइक आई वाज अ गुंडी इन स्कूल. आई वाज नॉट, आई वाज अ वेरी इनोसेंट किड, एंड मुझे बस ऐसे टीचर्स पकड़ लेती थी जबकि मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती थी. एनीवे, बेस्ट लाइन इसमें लिखी हुई है, आई वॉज बॉर्न इंटेलिजेंट बट एजुकेशन रूइंड मी. दैट्स सो ट्रू. दिस photo file also includes pictures of my lovers, boys who proposed me during school. We'll not talk about it today, guys. I know you want to know. Not today. Study. I'm probably going to be adding my photo along with the guy's photo who gifted me this file, as a thank you, maybe, because he did so much. I just want to let him know that I still have it and I cherish it and I just love it so much. This is like the best gift ever, and probably just gonna gift him on his birthday. He lives nearby my place only, so it's all chill, we talk, and he's doing great in life as well, so ऐसा कुछ awkward नहीं होने वाला है, and probably he'll be very happy. I can't make the entire, like, the same sort of similar thing again because I don't have the photos which he has, but probably just giving the memory back and sharing it together. I mean, let's see, I don't know. Also guys, from today onwards, I'm starting with comment of the day, sort of like a shout out where you guys make me stop from scrolling and think for a moment, okay, what this person has written, and I just want to share my feelings on that in a good, positive, healthy way because it's a healthy space happening right over here. So yeah. Okay, so today's comment is her favorite line. How cool is that? I know, right? Okay guys, let me be honest with you. Let me share a little secret with you guys, and most of you have already cracked that also. Okay, so I don't know how to finish sentences, and earlier I used to say you'll be good to go, and उस पे मुझे फिर बहुत सारे comments आते थे, and then I changed it to how cool is that, and I guess अब मुझे इसे भी change करना पड़ेगा. So let's see in future videos what that will be. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I just wanted to do something very chill, relaxing, and get to know me better sort of video. So yeah, that is it. Make sure to subscribe and like to my channel, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Best YouTuber ever.